How to download Bitrix24 on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open Play Store. After a few moments, your screen should look something like this. Here, you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. After tapping on search, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on the search bar at the top and type in Bitrix24. Then after you search, you'll see an app which is launched by Bitrix Incorporation, which has more than 5 million downloads. So simply tap on the install button right here. Then after a few moments, Bitrix24 will be installed on your Android device. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.